Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemistry and Biology Concepts. HSTR 2022-23 Chemistry syllabus for the teachers recruitment. So coming to the first chapter you are having in this is acid, bases and the salts, meaning, examples, properties, uses and strong, weak acid and along with the dilute and concentrated acids. So second chapter you are having is hydrated salts, efflorescence, deliquescent, theories of acids, bases and examples, ionization of acid and base, degree of dissociation and ionic product of water. Coming to the third concept you are having is chemicals in medicines, antacids, antibiotics, disinfectant, antiseptics and analgesics. Chemicals in our daily life, that is soaps, detergents, cement, glass, ceramics, washing soda, baking powder, plaster of Paris, paper, pharmaceuticals, bleaching powder and fertilizers, raw materials and uses. So this is the third chapter you are having for HSTR. So coming to the fourth one you are having is states of matter, solid state, crystal lattice, FCC, BCC and cubic solution, colloids and its properties, Raoult's law, colligative properties, etc. So fifth chapter you are having is electrochemistry. In that, factors affecting the product of electrolysis, Leclanche cell, lead acid, battery, H2O2 fuel cell, etc. So coming to the next chapter you are having is chemical kinetics. Rate of reaction, factors affecting the rate of reaction, first order and half-life, pseudo first order reaction, temperature, Arrhenius equation, activation energy, energy distribution curve. So this is sixth chapter. Coming to the seventh one, that is D block elements, electronic configuration of 3D series elements, general trends in properties of a first row transition metal, metallic character, oxidation state, magnetic properties, color, catalytic properties, alloy and formation. So coming to the eighth chapter you are having is carbon and its compounds, allotropes of carbon, catenation, isomerization, hydrocarbons, aliphatic and aromatic properties and uses, protochemicals, functional distillation of petroleum, combustion group, manufacture of sucrose. Coming to the ninth chapter you are having is chemical properties, substitution reaction, halogenation, combustion, controlled oxidation, that is catalytic oxidation, pyrolysis, Markov's rule, etc. So 10th chapter you are having is test for saturated hydrocarbons, structure of benzene, resonance and stability benzene, electrophilic substitution reaction, halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Coming to the 11th chapter, that is chemical reactions, meaning, types of chemical reaction, chemical combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, oxidation, reduction, catalysis, exothermic and endothermic reaction, reducing agent, oxidation agent. Coming to the in that only another concept, that is equilibrium in chemical process. Lee-Chatterley's principal, factors affecting equilibrium, ionic equilibrium. Coming to the another concept, 12th one you are having is chemical bonds, ionic bond, covalent bond, hydrogen bond, metallic bond, electron, C model, ionic compounds, covalent compounds, nature and properties, coordination, bond, polar bond and non-polar compound, sigma bond and pi bond. Coming to that in this hybrid orbitals, sp, sp2 and sp3, VSEPR theory. Examples, CH4, H2O, NH3, VBT orbital overlap concepts, SS, SP, PP with examples, hybridization sp3d with PCl5. So this is the 12th chapter, and the 13th chapter you are having is molecular orbital theory, that is silent features, formation of molecular orbital by LCAO method. 14th chapter you are having is electronic configuration and molecular behavior, bond order, nature of a bond length. Last but not the least, 15th chapter you are having is matter, states of matter, elements, compound, mixture and solutions, anomalous expansion of water, Boyle's law and the Charles law, application, numerical problems, Gay-Lussac's law. So this is about the chemistry syllabus HSTR 2022-23. I hope you guys understood the syllabus copy of the HSTR. Please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Please do comment. Thanks for watching.